Hello friends, welcome back to our channel The Directions and to the continuing series of videos on parenting. In today's video, we are going to discuss the intellectual development of children. Towards that end, we will first try and understand what kind of learning environment is essential for appropriate intellectual development of the young ones. Remember, creating a stimulating learning environment is crucial for fostering a child's curiosity, creativity, and love for learning. By providing a rich and engaging environment, parents can support their child's cognitive, social, and emotional development. Here are some of the strategies for creating a stimulating learning environment. First, a reading corner. Set up a cozy reading corner with a variety of age-appropriate books, magazines, and other reading materials. Make it inviting and comfortable with cushions, bean bags, or small bookshelves. Encourage regular reading time and engage in storytelling sessions with your child. Second, learning materials. Provide a range of learning materials that spark curiosity and promote heads-on exploration. This can include puzzles, building blocks, art supplies, science kits, musical instruments, and educational toys. Rotate these materials periodically to maintain novelty and keep the environment fresh. Next, display artwork and creations. Dedicate a space to showcase your child's artwork, crafts, and projects. Hang their drawings, paintings, and crafts on the walls or create a bulletin board to exhibit their creations. This not only celebrates their accomplishments but also inspires their creativity and self-expression. Next, nature and outdoor exploration. Encourage outdoor exploration and connection with nature. Create a small garden or allocate a space for potted plants. Take nature walks, explore parks, discuss different elements of the natural environment. Allow your child to observe, ask questions, and engage in hands-on experiences with nature. The next strategy is that of learning through play. Foster play-based learning by providing open-ended toys and materials that allow for imaginative play and problem solving. Examples include blocks, pretend play props, puzzles, and sensory materials like sand, water, or Play-Doh. Play alongside your child, encouraging their exploration and extending their play ideas. Next is learning centers. Create designated learning areas or centers within your home. For example, set up a science area with magnifying glasses, a mini microscope, and science books. A writing station with papers, pencils, and markers, or a math corner with counting objects and shape puzzles. These centers encourage focused exploration and facilitate learning in specific domains. Next strategy is to incorporate technology. Introduce age-appropriate educational apps, interactive learning games, and educational videos to enhance learning experiences. Use technology as a tool for research, exploration, and creative expression. Set limits on screen time and ensure a healthy balance between screen-based activities and other forms of learning. Next is display learning resources. Hang educational posters, charts, or maps on the walls to provide visual stimulation and to serve as references for learning. These resources can include alphabet charts, number charts, maps, or posters related to science, nature, geography, or art. Discuss and engage with these visual aids during conversations or learning activities. The next strategy is to encourage inquiry and questioning. Foster a culture of inquiry by encouraging your child to ask questions, explore their interests, and seek answers. Support their curiosity by providing resources, discussing their inquiries, and helping them find information through books or the internet. Encourage critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Cultivate a positive learning atmosphere. Create a positive and sportive atmosphere that values effort, exploration, and learning from mistakes. Celebrate achievements and encourage a growth mindset where challenges are seen as opportunities for learning and growth. Offer praise, encouragement, and constructive feedback to motivate and empower your child. Remember, by creating a stimulating learning environment, you provide your child with opportunities for exploration, discovery, and continuous learning. This environment fosters their intellectual development, creativity, and love for lifelong learning. Remember to adapt and personalize the environment based on your child's interests, age, and individual needs. I thank you for watching and hope to see you in the next video very soon.